Okay, this is the tool sharpener. I bought it from the Lidl. I think the price was probably around £1.99, £2. Anyway, I'm going to open it and see how it is. Okay, now I'm opening it. Taking the tool out. The best tool, to my experience, is the tool that you can carry with you and is always with you. So this is the good tool I can carry with me. It's beautiful, it's handy, it's like a pen. It has something that you can put in your pocket, attach it like that, and does the job hopefully. I will test it in allotment later. The way the tip of it looks, very quite with a lot of little bits on it, sharp bits. Probably these are the abrasive, and that's what they will do. They will abrade the metal, steel, iron, anything that needs sharpening. Handy tool for allotment to remove the rust.